What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, because at 5,000 subscribers I am giving one of these cars away. Yes, for free, one of these cars to one of the subscribers. So today we're going to look at detailing the interior of a car. So we've done a lot of videos of where we polish, where we're wet sanding, whatever. We're making the car look great on the outside, but this one is all about the interior today. It is beige leather, beige carpets, and it needs to be sorted out. So join me on this one. There's going to be another video that drops this weekend on buying and selling. So basically we're going to look at pricing. We're going to log into the auction websites, find some stock that we would look to buy, and price it up and work out our pricing, so you guys have an idea of how to price cars, why you should price a car at what price, and how you would go about starting to buy a car from an auction house. So that's going to be another video that drops after this one. Let's jump into today's video. When you look at the car, it doesn't look that dirty. It looks not bad at all. It looks quite presentable. Obviously you can see I did a little test piece here. The difference is astounding. And on the seat, that's one little pass. It's a completely different colour. First job is to get out of the car wherever we can. Mats, carpets, boot lining, anything that can be removed to help us get to where we need to get to. Jack all the seats up as high as we can get them, and let's begin.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. 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 I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. You got me thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know, suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is.
It is hot today, man. It's supposed to rain, but weather's nice. So back door cards, back trim, back carpet, everything wiped down. Might be a few areas that need to just go and redo once everything's dry. But right now, back. So time to start on the front. The front is always gonna be the messiest. I just did a little line for thumbnail picture, and obviously that side. Just a skate key. I didn't look too bad at the start. So let's crack on. Let's get this going. We go, guys. As usual, I am sweating. Hard work pays off, and we are done. Just got some little lines in the mats. All the cream is perfect. This is only £2.5 grand car, but it's now looking as good as it should. could do more. We could steam clean the leather, but you know, it's a £2.5 grand car, so it's all back to being cream, and that's where I draw the line, especially on a £2,000 car. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subs button, because at 5,000 we're giving away the car, and I'll see you in the next one. The next video I'm about to film straight after this video, which is going to be a bit more interesting, about buying from auction. So if you're about that, hit that sub button. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.